Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Maths class of grade 7 of Basava Residential Girls School. I am Yashasvi, your maths teacher. Students, we are studying chapter number 2, Fractions and Decimals. In today's class, we shall be studying about division of decimal numbers. In our previous classes, we already studied about how to multiply, how to add and how to subtract decimal numbers. So now we shall study how to divide the decimal numbers. The first problem is 2.48 divided by 4. The next step is, let me count the digits after the decimal point. So it is ones, tenths and hundredths. So it is 100. 2, 4, 8 divided by 100. Multiply by 1 by 4. When I put multiplication sign here, it means I have to do the reciprocal of 4. 4 simply means 4 by 1. So when I reciprocate it, it becomes 1 by 4 and I put the symbol of multiplication. Next step is, I need to see whether I can do the cross multiplication. So yes, this is an even number and this number is also ending with even number. So let me try dividing. I'll do the rough work here. 248 divided by 4. So 4 6 are 24. I subtract this, I get 0. Now I bring down this 8. So 4 2s are 8. I get 0. So now I can do the cross multiplication. 4 1s are 4 62s are. Now I arrive at 62 divided by, and this 100 here. I repeat, 62 multiplied by 1 is 62. 100 multiplied by 1 is 100. Now, we need not have to divide this 100 and 62. Instead, let me put the decimal point. So, it is 1, 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2 and 3 here. So, 0.6 and 2. This is my answer. Now, let us move on to the second problem. It is 7.75 divided by 0.25. So, for this, again, let me count the decimal digits. It is ones, tenths and hundredths. Here also it is ones, tenths and hundredths. So, for this, I write it as 775 divided by 100. I put the multiplication sign and I reciprocate this. It simply means 25 by 100. So I reciprocate this and write as 100 divided by 25. So yes, I can do the cross multiplication here. 100 ones are and 100 ones are. So here 25 I have got in the denominator and 775 in the numerator. So yes, both are ending by 5. So they are the multiples of 5. So let us start dividing here in the rough. 775 divided by 25. So 25 3s are 75. You need to know the tables thoroughly until 30. So 77 minus 75 is 2. I bring forward this 5. So it is 25. And yes, 25 ones are 25. After I subtract, 0 is the remainder. So I've got 31. So here, yes, I can do the cross multiplication. 25 ones are 25, 31s are. So my answer is 31. So this is how we divide the decimal numbers. So moving on to the next topic for today's class, it is division by 10, 100 and 1000. So for that, I have taken one example, 31.5 divided by 10. So for this, again I count the digits after decimal point. It is 31.5. So it is ones and tenths. So I can write it as 315 by 10. And I multiply and I reciprocate the next number. So here I write the number as 315 into 1 is 315. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. 10 tens are 100. So now I have three places here in the denominator. It is ones, tens and hundreds. So here ones, tens and hundreds. So I arrive at the answer of 3.15. Easy, right? Yes. So moving on to the next problem wherein I have to divide 31.5 by 100. So the next step is counting the digits after the decimal point. So it is 31.5. So I have got two digits here, decimal point as well as one digit. So I can write it as 315 divided by 10. And I reciprocate this 1 divided by 100. So yes, now I can easily divide this. 315 multiplied by 1 is 315 itself, and 10 multiplied by 100 is 1000. So now it is 4 digits. I have to compare this with the numerators. It is 1, 2, 3 and the decimal point I get 4 digits. So it is 0.315. This is the answer. The third example under this is 31.5 divided by 1000. So quickly I'll write it as 315 divided by 10 into 1. I am reciprocating it 1000. So here I have taken 1 by 1000. So now there is no chance of cross multiplication, so I am doing the direct multiplication, that is 315 multiplied by 1 is 315 divided by 10 into 1000 is 10,000. So I need to match these places with the numerator. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits including the decimal point. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which means 0.0315. So let us compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my answer is correct. Moving on to the next topic, it is division of decimal number by a whole number. So here 36 is a whole number and it has to be divided by 0.2. This is the decimal number. Next step is I write it as 36 by 1 by default divided by the same symbol I am keeping here, 2 by 10. So it is 1, 2. So I have kept it as 10. It is 1s and tenths. So 2 divided by 10. Now again I need to convert this division symbol into multiplication. So how do I do that? 36 by 1 multiplied by reciprocal of the next fraction. So it was 2 by 10. If I wanted to write as multiplication, I write it as 10 by 2. Let us check out whether there are chances for cross multiplication. So yes, 2 ones are 2, and 16 remains. 2 8s are 16. So 18 multiplied by 10, I get 180, which is my answer. Now let us move on to the second problem. 7 divided by 3.5. 7 is a whole number, whereas 3.5 is a decimal number. So now 7 by 1 is default, divided by 35 divided by 10. So there are two digits here, ones and tens, including the decimal point. So I have written it as 10. Now I have to convert this division symbol into multiplication. How do I do that? Yes, I reciprocate the second number here, the second fraction. Let me check out whether there are chances for cross multiplication. Yes, 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. So again, I can do it here. The multiplication 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. So arrive at 2. This is my answer. The last topic of this chapter is division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So how do I divide a decimal number by another decimal number? The first problem is 25.5 divided by 0.5. So the next step is I have to count the decimal points, ones, tenths. So 255 divided by 10. Divided by again here ones and tenths. So 5 divided by 10. I have to convert this division symbol into multiplication again. So I keep the first fraction as it is and I reciprocate the second fraction. Yes, I can do the cross multiplication here. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, and since the numbers both end by 5, so I can try it out for dividing. I'm doing the rough work here. 255 divided by 5. So 5 5s are 25. 0. I bring down this 5 and again 5 1s are 5. So 0 is the remainder. So 5 1s are 5. 51s are 255. So this is my answer. I arrived at 51. The last problem for this chapter is 37.8 divided by 1.4. For this, I am counting the digits again, including the decimal point. It is ones and tenths. Here also it is ones and tenths. So I write the next step as 378 divided by 10. Again the same symbol, division symbol, and 14 divided by 10. Now I have to change this symbol into multiplication. So I write the first fraction as it is and I write the multiplication symbol. Later I reciprocate the next fraction. So now here cross multiplication is possible. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. And here again, since the numbers end by even digits, I can do the cross multiplication here. Here is my rough work. Let us start dividing. 378 divided by 14. 14 2s are 28. I get a remainder of 9 and I bring down this 8. So 98. Yes, 14 7s are 98. My remainder is 0. So 14 ones are 14, 14 27s are 378. So 27 is my answer. Students, here we end the second chapter, fractions and decimals. Thank you.